Alright, we're here in Stidham, Oklahoma on a no AC call. The outside unit, even whenever I push in the contactor, nothing happens. I've already checked the disconnect. We have power at the disconnect. So I'm going to check power at the contactor. See what happens at the contactor. 240 volts. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check resistance across the contactor. That's what we should see and hear. Alright, we're going to replace this contactor. Alright, brand new contactor. Went ahead and checked the capacitor. It's at 40/5 and it is measuring 40/5. We went ahead, took our paintbrush, cleaned the electrical compartment out a little bit, got the spider webs out, dirt dauber nests. We are pretty much ready to kick her on. Let's see what happens. Look at that.